Have you been looking for a no-oil, gluten-free wrap? If so, I've got a super easy one for you today, only 2 ingredients, and it's absolutely delicious. So stick around. Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chu on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, I'm a plant-based RN and I follow the Starch Solution. I've been following the Starch Solution since January of 2020. The Starch Solution is a program that was developed by Dr. Mcdougall, and following his plan, I was able to lose 15 pounds. And the best part is I have kept it off, and I haven't had to count calories, weigh my food, portion control, nothing like that. On my channel, you're going to find quick and easy whole food plant-based recipes. So if that sounds good to you, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, which is every Tuesday and Saturday. And for more plant-based content, please follow me on Instagram at Chu on Vegan. If you're new to this way of eating, or if you've been doing it a while and maybe you're struggling, I have started a Facebook group, and there you will find a very active group of like-minded people, and you'll find recipes, inspiration, and support. And if you're still not convinced that a plant-based diet is right for you, I created a little e-guide that describes the benefits of a whole food plant-based diet. And don't forget to sign up for my newsletter. It comes out every other month. And in my newsletter, I address different topics. Some are from a nursing perspective, and you'll find tips and tricks and recipes. I will leave all the links to these resources in the description box below. As I said in the intro, I'm going to show you how to make a gluten-free, no-oil wrap. And even if you're not gluten-free, you will love these. They're so versatile, and only 2 ingredients. So let's get started. So the 2 ingredients are water and red lentils. Oh, and a pinch of salt. So technically 3, but 2 main ones. And I just started with 1 cup of lentils and 2 cups of water, and I've got 2 cups of lentils now. They will double in size. Now the beautiful thing about this is I'm just going to dump all this into my Vitamix and blend till smooth, and that's it. We don't need to rinse it, nothing like that. If you do find that it's a little too thick, you can add some more water. So in it goes. Okay, I'm gonna go blend these up, and then we're gonna make some wraps. Now I've got a really good nonstick pan heating up over here. I totally skipped over a really important part, and I apologize for that. You want to soak these lentils for at least 3 hours, and that way they will be perfect and they will blend up really smooth. So you need to soak them for at least 3 hours. So I'm going to let this pan heat up, and then I'm going to show you how to make these easy wraps. So the way I like to test my pan to see if it's hot enough is just to drop some water on there. This is not ready yet. You want it to kind of just beat up and disappear. So this pan is not quite ready. You want a nice hot pan. So I'm going to turn it up a little bit. Let's try it again. That's what you want. This pan is ready. Then I have my ladle here. And we're going to, and then you want to swirl it. Try to make it round. I'm not real good at this. And that way you'll get like an even kind of a not pancake, an even kind of a flatbread. Okay. So you just want it to cook till it's like a pancake. It'll start bubbling up. They'll pop a little bit. It'll look dry around the edges. Then you know it's time to flip. It's about 1 or 2 minutes. It doesn't take long. All right. So you just kind of go around the edges so you can flip it a little easier. Sometimes these get a little stubborn. That's why you want a really nice, really good nonstick pan. Gives you a little trouble. Flip like that. Okay. And then we'll just cook this another minute or 2 on this side. And as you can see, I did this one, but I had a little accident, but you know what? We won't tell anybody. All right, I'm just gonna continue cooking the rest of my batter, and then we'll make a wrap. All right, let's make a wrap. I'm gonna use my Mcdougall mayo. I'll leave a link to that recipe. And just a little bit. Just a thin little layer I like on here. Now just know that these take practice and I'm still working on it. I still struggle with them. So I'm just gonna do like a little bit of red onion. I mean, you can get about 6 to 8 depending on the size. These are pretty small. I've got some red pepper, shredded carrot, red onion, and then maybe a couple tomatoes. And these are great little snacks, great for your kids. And then some lettuce. I've got some spring mix. And then you just kind of roll them up. They're very soft. And you get this cool little wrap. So let's give this a taste. So here is the finished product. They're super soft, they roll great. You can stuff it with whatever you would like. And let's taste it. These are so good. And what I love about them is you've got your protein from the lentils, and then you've got a little bit of tofu from the mayo, and then all your fresh veggies. So it's a great alternative to a tortilla, easy to make, no oil, gluten-free. It's a win-win. And you can get about 6 to 8 of these wraps from each batch, depending on the size that you make them. They freeze beautifully, so you can, eat what you want, put the rest in the freezer, and then you'll have wraps anytime you'd like. Now, if you've made it this far in the video, please comment below with wrap, and that way I know you stuck with me to the end, and I really appreciate it. And if you enjoyed this video, if you got value out of it, please hit that like button. It really helps my channel to grow. And remember that all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet, and what you put on your plate determines your fate. Until next time, thank you. Okay, snap out of it. Okay, where was I? Oh yes. I follow the Starch solution. I've been this, and for more plant-based of like-minded people, and there you'll find, yeah, that's very sad. Just kind of loosen. I don't like this spatula. So, oh, I'm doing a great job. Oh yeah, none of this is gonna be it. Seriously? This is ridiculous. Cooking the rest of my batter, and then we'll make a wrap. And then it'll be a wrap. Haha. And you can get about 6, oh my God.